In this video, we're gonna explore Alice's boring Mondays. And in the end, I will teach you the words in yellow. Alice was an 18-year-old high school student who absolutely hated Mondays. Every Sunday evening, she would sigh as the weekend came to an end. Her alarm clock ringing at 6:30 AM on Monday mornings was the worst sound in the world to her. One Monday morning, Alice woke up and groaned, why do Mondays even exist? She dragged herself out of bed, still sleepy, and got ready for school. As she brushed her teeth, she thought about all the things she disliked about Mondays. First, there was the school. Her first class was math, and Alice wasn't very good at math. Every Monday, she felt nervous about the difficult equations. Then there was the fact that the weekend was over, and she wouldn't have another break for 5 whole days. Plus, her friends always seemed to be tired and grumpy on Mondays too, which made the day feel even longer. As she walked to the bus stop, Alice met her best friend Sarah, who looked just as tired as she felt. "Why are Mondays so hard?" Alice asked. Sarah laughed because we have to leave the weekend behind and face the real world again. During math class, Alice tried her best to concentrate, but she herself felt sleepy. She couldn't wait for lunchtime, when she could finally relax and chat with her friends. At lunch, she sat with Sarah and a few other friends. They talked about their weekends, which made Alice smile a little. But as soon as the bell rang for the next class, her Monday mood came back. At the end of the school day, Alice felt exhausted. "I don't think I'll ever like Mondays," she said to Sarah as they walked home. "Maybe," Sarah replied, "but Mondays don't have to be so bad. You can try to find something fun to look forward to." Alice thought about it. Like what? Well, Sarah said we could plan something fun after school on Mondays, like watching a movie or going for ice cream. Alice smiled. That didn't sound too bad. "Okay, let's try that next week," she said. The following Monday, Alice still felt tired when her alarm rang. But after school, she and Sarah went to the park and got ice cream. They talked about their favorite movies and laughed until they forgot all about the Monday blues. From that day on, Alice still didn't love Mondays, but she didn't hate them as much anymore. She realized that even if a day starts out tough, it's up to her to make it a little better. Groan. To make a sound to show frustration. When Alice saw the time on her alarm clock, she groaned, not wanting to get out of bed. Drag. To move slowly, feeling heavy or tired. Alice dragged her feet as she walked to the bus stop, feeling too tired to move quickly. Grumpy. To be in a bad mood. Alice was feeling grumpy on Monday morning because she didn't get enough sleep. Exhausted. To feel very tired. After a long day of classes, Alice was exhausted and just wanted to go home and relax. Blues. To feel sad or down. Alice always had the Monday blues after enjoying the weekend, wishing she didn't have to go back to school. Look forward to. To be excited about something. Despite hating Mondays, Alice looked forward to eating ice cream with Sarah after school. Thanks for watching. If you want to continue learning, check this video out.